Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add page in your Canva project. First of all, we want to upload the video as I did. You can do it by just going to videos and pick anyone that is free, or if you're a pro user, you can add something from the pro section or upload your own videos. If we want to add another tab or another page, for example, if you want to go from the video to something like some outro or something, or I don't know, something motivational, you can do it by just pressing this big plus next to bottom of your left side of the screen, and all of a sudden there is another window. You can use maybe another video here. And as you can see, the time of the video changes. So it's not now 5 seconds as this first one, but 10 seconds. You can add anything you like in there, and that's about it. So it's very easy. You can also add page like this and so on. So it's pretty easy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.